Tapan. So we wanted to ride a gondola, but because of Corona we should have made a reservation, which we didn't do. So now we decide to climb a mountain. Unprepared, no good shoes. She has a ski jacket. I have a beer bell. We have water, we don't have food. Probably we will die. Don't you think so? Let's go!
Let's go!
They said it was easy. Look at that! There is snow here. We didn't reach the top. I think we're halfway. My shoes are really dirty, but it's very nice here. And I just flew with my drone. It's very cool. I will show you the movies now. Meters.
I
cannot walk anymore. Yay!
Finish!
Whoa, we went all the way over there to the top and much further. And I cannot even stop the camera from shaking because I'm so tired.
Sparkling aquarius.
Wow, it's so...
So.
Oh, he doesn't like it.